Learn how to make this arrow within minutes by following our tutorial. First, insert a bended arrow from the shape segment block arrows. Adjust the size to your liking and make sure the shape has no outline. Then position the arrow in the lower center of the slide and duplicate. While still having your second arrow selected, go to Rotate in your upper right toolbar and select Flip Vertical in the appearing drop-down. Position both arrows so that the arrow heads are perfectly covering each other. Now go to Shape, Fill, and Gradient. In the appearing menu on the right side, click Gradient Fill. You can now customize your gradient. Choose a color to your liking by picking a color for each of the gradient stop arrows. You can give multiple gradient arrows the same color. Then adjust the direction of your gradient to make sure that the front part of the arrow is unicolor. You might also need to increase or reduce the angle for this. Play around with these settings until you have found a design that you like. Now repeat the same for the second arrow. When selecting Gradient Fill, your settings from the previous arrow should automatically transfer, so all you need to do is choose a color. Next, select a rectangle shape and place it on one of your arrow ends. Adjust color and size to fit exactly. Type in a marker of your choice. Adjust the writing style, size, and color to your liking. Go to Shape Format and add a shadow to the writing. Now duplicate the shape and place it on the second arrow end. Adjust color and text accordingly. To ensure a stable and movable graphic, group all elements by going to Arrange and Group. If you would like, you can now add a background color on the slide. For this, do a right-click on the slide and go to Format Background. Now select a color in the appearing menu on the right side. For more depth in the graphic, you can also add a shadow to your arrows at the end. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.